Good morning, it's me, Self-Learning Tech Guy. I will show you how to wire Sabertooth 2x60 to one motor and control it using Flysky FS-I6X. When you're wiring, make sure that your main switch is on the 0 position. You must connect battery plus side to Sabertooth B plus and battery minus to Sabertooth B minus. Don't mess this up, you will fry your controller. Connect one motor wire to M1A and the other to M1B on the Sabertooth. Make sure wires aren't touching aluminum heatsink, you will fry it. Now connect Flysky receiver as following. Set dip switches as following. Turn the main switch to on position. Turn on your Flysky controller. Wait a second for Flysky to connect to receiver. You can now control the motor. Thank you for watching, please subscribe. I will be making videos like that in the future.